Well, let's try to set up what's been going on and what is going on. We've been under this dome of high pressure for quite a while now. We've had the high temperatures, we've had the high heat indices, but these domes don't just float around out there by themselves. Something's got to move them. And a few weeks ago, I was telling you about these systems moving down to the Gulf of Alaska, and we're still watching them, and it could lead to an early fall because we're seeing some pretty good changes. These things move to the east across Canada. There's been very cold air up in Hudson Bay and Baffin Bay north of there, and the lows are starting to tap some of that cold air and move it southward. Cold air is heavy, our hot air is light, so when you can get a heavy mass pushing against ours, it shoves it out of the way, and then we see a change in the weather, which we've seen today. Our winds have come around the north. But we've got to watch now west side of the Arctic Circle because Siberia and northern Russia has undergone a big change towards much colder air, and if that system keeps up and the lows keep tracking in the bottom of it, we could get into an early fall. But we've seen some moisture mass now because we've pushed this north flow in. We saw a good north flow encounter a little bit of wave activity, so we formed a little bit of circulation. Now it looks opposite, even though it's a low, because these are satellite shots, and the whiter the clouds, the higher in the atmosphere we are. So we are looking at that. Not too much has been going on. Just had another real hot day today. A few more clouds have shown up. Sustained winds have been all over the place. They went to the north, and those to the east side of us are a little stronger from the north. Wind gusts have been very little. Future track just gradually moves us down and clears us out, moves us down into, I think, 70s and low 80s tonight. And tomorrow we'll see those temperatures back in the 90s, upper 90s. One or two may hit 100. Some activity out to the west of us. Overnight tonight, 76, decreasing clouds. Tomorrow we'll go with 97, slightly cooler. I think we're dry until middle week. We'll bring the temperature down, work a Gulf wave and a wave from the northwest, and get a little more unstable atmosphere mid to late next week and do some cooling. Chris?
All right, Bill, thanks so much.